आई थिंक कैमरा उल्टा ही अच्छा लग रहा है फॉर सम रीज़न. येस, आई थिंक ये उल्टा ही अच्छा लग रहा है. दिस इज़ माई बैटमैन टी शर्ट. इट इज़ रेड इन कलर. my guitar feature. It is very essential part of our lives. It's the best thing ever. But yeah, my best friend gave me this in lockdown on my 16th birthday. Yeah. I was talking about Heather and Brahms, the boy. So Heather, I don't know why I felt like there is some kind of connection between Heather's character and the boy Brahms' character. There are two movies actually. I have not watched the second part. I only know about the first part. So even Brahms had like used to repress his feelings as a kid. He also had that, and I don't know. I felt like there's some kind of connect. Yes, I could not point out what is the connect, but if we have to see it from a POV of like if they had Oedipus complex, so Heather also like used to repress his emotions, and Brahms also did. That's why like when like he sees his new caretaker, so he feels romantic attraction towards her because she is just taking care of that doll, but that dude like he's watching. Yeah, he is hiding in a compartment in the like a hidden compartment in the house. So he is watching her and he feels romantic attraction or sexual attraction towards her, and she is just his caretaker. She is just his caretaker, and he still feels romantic and sexual attraction towards her. So that was a really big indication that I felt some kind of connect between them. I was like because that girl's character in the movie, the Brahm, the boy Brahm is the character of the name of the character. Yeah, so he, when she was taking care of him and he was watching her, so he even tried to like cause chaos when she had to like she had a date with this other guy. So he tried to cause chaos. He tried so hard to let that not happen. Like he tried to like let that not happen. He locked her in the storage somehow. Yeah, he did. He locked her in the storage so that she cannot show up for a date. And she was when she used to take shower, so he used to watch her. Yes, because he hiding in the compartment in the house, so he could see her. Very creepy, very very creepy. And Heather, I did watch it again. He did find his mother Tabu's character attractive. Yes, I am sure. Now I am sure because now I watched it properly. I was like, no, maybe he was just a little like loving towards his mom. No, he found his mom romantically attractive. Yeah, he did, and he did have Oedipus complex. Yes, Heather had Oedipus complex. Also Brahms, both of them had it in their own way, because Heather had it like towards his mom obviously, and the boy, he had it towards like the girl who was his caretaker. Yes, he had it towards her. So but like how will the love of a lover suffice a person if they have Oedipus complex? Think about it. Yeah, like if how will the love of a lover suffice that person, because that person will be looking for maternal love. Yes, so how will I think that's why Shahid Kapoor was not that invested in Shraddha Kapoor's character in Heather. I think he Yeah, because he did not feel what he was feeling towards his mom. Yes. So just because he did not feel what he was feeling towards his mom, so he was not that invested in her. And I find him like really, really, really complex because he did go out of Kashmir and he could have lived a really good life. And if he wanted to marry Shraddha Kapoor, so he could just go and like bring her to the city. Like he could just be like, yeah, let's just get engaged and stuff. But he did not do all that. Like he was always feeling drawn towards back home because he wanted to be with his mom. Yes. So if a person has Oedipus complex, will like an actual romantic love will not suffice them. Like they will keep wanting more for some reason. They will be like, yeah, this is okay, but more, like in some way, because of that sexual attraction towards their own mom. So they will not be able to tell the difference between what is real love and what is real affection and what is not, because they won't be able to differentiate. This is why I was thinking, how will this person see the whole world? Think about it. How will a person who like finds their mother sexually attractive see the whole world? So they won't be able to. The lover's love will not suffice them. It won't. Like they will keep feeling like, yeah, but it's not enough because you are looking for maternal love. Yes, because you are looking for like that kind of love from your mom. So it's like that person will have a very distorted view of the world, and that person will not be able to differentiate what is real love. Yes. Yes. And even if they might like be able to like differentiate, they will still not feel happy because they won't feel content. When Shahid Kapoor's character fell in love with Shraddha Kapoor, so he could have just left that and he could have just lived a peaceful life. I think about it often. But he did not do that. I also really, really love Yami Gautam's character from Bala. Yes. I love how unapologetically honest she is. Like she was clear from the starting. She did not break Bala's heart. No. I think people who don't uh, she was very honest that she wanted to live a aesthetically pleasing life. Yes, she wanted to live a like a aesthetically pleasing life, and she was like, my like uh, my husband should look a certain way and stuff. So Bala was the one who was trying to manipulate her basically, because he was bald, and if she did saw him like that, she would not even talk to him. Yes, like that is how clear she was in what she wanted. I saw nothing wrong with it. And I watch her monologue again and again because it is yeah. I also love the ending of Bala movie a lot because he does not end up with his childhood friend Bhumik Pednekar's character. I love that because it doesn't have to be like he tries to make a very romantic ending and everything else, but I like that the ending is happy and not an happy ending. Yes, I like that because she wanted to be with somebody else, and uh, Bala did get emotionally mature. He did understand कि मतलब this aesthetically pleasing stuff. He did. Yami, there's a lot of similarity between Bala and Yami Gautam's character. It's just because of the music and because of some dialogues we can't see it properly, and we try to villainize Yami Gautam's character. No, she is very honest and she was very upfront, and he was the one who was pretending. So it was on him. Whatever happened, everything was on his up on. Everything was like it was his actions, and Bhumi Pednekar's character did love Ayushmann Khurrana's character, but it was more like a teenage love thing, yes. And then she just grew out of it. She was like, he did not respect her. Yes, he did not respect her, and he did not treat her very well. And I think with all these things going on, Bhumi Pednekar's character developed a really strong sense of self. Even Yami Gautam's character did not have a very strong sense of self. She was like, uh, this should look a certain way, this should be a certain way, this is how it should look to the world, and this is how it should look to me. So it's like, even she was a little bit stuck in the illusions and everything. And Bala's character was the most lost character out of all three of them. But like Bhumi Pednekar's character, like with her experiences, because she was not conventionally attractive like either of them. Bala was conventionally attractive for a limited period of time, and then he became bald. But Bhumi Pednekar's character was not conventionally attractive since the starting. So she saw a very harsh world. She had her own life experiences, and she developed a very strong sense of self. So I really love that, how like politely she rejects Bala. Yes, she rejects him, and he understands her side. And she should obviously get like engaged to the guy. Like her mom, I think, tried to like edit her pictures. Yeah, her mom used to like ask Bala to edit her pictures to like make it look a certain way, so that like the men will not like reject her on her skin color. She got really mad at Bala for that. Ki matlab, anybody would, like, why would you do that? So just no, I understand why people do that, but like from her POV, she would wonder कि मतलब she did not need anybody to do that for her. And the guy who she was getting engaged to, he liked her as she was. Yes. So yes, he liked her for who she was. And Bala's character, I think that ending was written so well. I think Bala movie ending was so good, so good. I think that Yami Gautam's character showed Bala his own reflection somehow. Somehow, I don't know how, but the way he interprets the world and everything else. So Yami Gautam was like full. She was this. She was like a live person made up of his own thoughts. Yes, like she was exactly how he used to look at the world and how he used to interpret everything. So she believed in those things. She was exactly from everything he used to imagine. So she was exactly like that. And I love all three characters. I don't hate Yami Gautam's character. I don't care honestly that she was a little like कि अच्छा her husband should look a certain way, otherwise she will give a divorce. So she was very clear from the starting. I think there is a honesty. She did accept it कि the beauty standards, like she benefited from them and she accepted it. I love when people own up to their shit. So she owned up to it. She was always honest and she owned up to it. But she had her sense of self was very different in her own way. Like she was her own person. And Bala did not have a strong sense of self. Yes, Bala's character did not have a strong sense of self. He did not. He did not. But Bhumi Pednekar's character had a very good arc.